Salam alaikum and Tato Gobrio. Us paro short type answer be questions. Az issue as urban livelihood. Which to question what vegetable vendor was doing. Answer lekos vegetable vendor was arranging tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, etc. Question why market was crowded. Answer market was crowded due to festival reason. And question from which place Harpreet and Vandana buy materials for their showroom. Answer they buy most of the materials from Mumbai, Ahmedabad, Ludhiana, etc. Who gave license to do business in the city? Municipal Corporation. Question whether Nirmala's job was permanent. Answer no, she was employed on casual basis. Question mention the number of vendors of street. Answer there are almost 1 crore street vendors in India. What is the job of Sudha? Answer Sudha works as a marketing manager. Question how many percentage of people work on the streets of Ahmedabad? Answer about 12% of all the workers in Ahmedabad city work on the streets. Question who decides on which day of the week the market will remain closed? Answer municipal corporation. तो रुपये यम सवाल गसन इतः कन लेखन अति कैसे करियो याद यानी इन शॉर्ट टाइप्स में इन जवाब ते शॉर्ट टाइप्स में आसान छ क्वेश्चन ते तो रुपये इस वनान छ व्हाट इज योर नेम तो वनियो सर माय नेम इज अकबर या बेके तो रुपये इतः कन छ यम सवाल ते बाकी शुक्रिया.